In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp number in Google Ads. If you want people to reach you quickly from your ads, adding your WhatsApp number as an asset is a simple way to do it, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, in your Google Ads account, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Campaigns. This takes you into the area where your advertising lives. From there, open the Assets section. Assets are the building blocks you attach to your ads to give people extra ways to connect with you, and this is where your WhatsApp contact option will live. Next, click the plus icon to add something new. You'll see options, including message and call. Choose the one that matches how you want people to contact you. Message is best if you want users to open a chat and send you a WhatsApp message right away. It's great for quick questions, quotes, or support. Call is better if you prefer direct phone calls to the same number, which can work well for urgent inquiries or appointment bookings. If most of your customers are messaging you already, Message will typically deliver a more seamless experience. Now, enter your WhatsApp number. Make sure you include your full country code with no missing digits and double check for typos before saving. If the interface flags formatting, remove extra spaces or special characters and try again. It's a good idea to use a number you actively monitor, ideally your business WhatsApp, so replies are timely and professional. Clear responses and fast follow-ups can improve conversion rates, so set expectations in your ad copy about hours of availability if you can. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. Your WhatsApp contact method is now added as an asset and can start appearing with your ads once it's approved. New assets typically go through a standard review, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. After it starts serving, you can check performance in your assets reporting to see how often people are engaging with your message or call option, and use those insights to refine your ads and targeting. To recap, you went to Campaigns, opened Assets, clicked the plus icon, selected either Message or Call, entered your WhatsApp number, and saved. Follow these steps carefully. Keep your number accurate and responsive, and you'll make it easier for customers to reach you right when they're interested. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising!